The human heart is an incredible organ, tirelessly pumping blood throughout our bodies. It delivers oxygen and nutrients, keeping us alive and functioning. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Unfortunately, heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. The good news? Many heart-related issues can be prevented with proactive lifestyle choices, including a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Several vitamins and minerals play pivotal roles in maintaining a healthy heart. These unsung heroes work behind the scenes, ensuring proper heart function and reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications. Some of the most crucial nutrients include vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. These often overlooked nutrients are vital for blood pressure regulation, muscle function, and overall cardiovascular health. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is vital for healthy bones, teeth, and, importantly, heart function. Without adequate vitamin D, your body struggles to maintain the necessary levels of calcium, which can lead to weakened bones and teeth. More critically, it can impair the function of your heart, which relies on calcium for proper muscle contraction and electrical activity. Studies suggest that vitamin D deficiency may be linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and heart failure. This is because vitamin D helps regulate the renin-angiotensin system, which controls blood pressure. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to an imbalance, increasing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Magnesium, an essential mineral, is involved in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. It is crucial for the production of energy and the synthesis of DNA and RNA. Without sufficient magnesium, your body cannot perform these vital functions efficiently. Magnesium deficiency can disrupt heart rhythm, leading to irregular heartbeats, or arrhythmias, and increasing the risk of heart disease. This disruption occurs because magnesium is essential for the electrical stability of heart cells. A lack of magnesium can cause these cells to misfire, leading to potentially dangerous arrhythmias. Potassium, an electrolyte, helps maintain normal blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. It balances the amount of sodium in your cells, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. Potassium also aids in the proper function of nerves and muscles. It also plays a vital role in muscle contractions, including the heart's pumping action. Without enough potassium, your heart cannot contract properly, which can lead to various cardiovascular issues. Potassium deficiency can lead to an increased risk of hypertension, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. This is because low potassium levels can cause an imbalance in the body's electrolytes, leading to increased blood pressure and strain on the cardiovascular system. Section 4. Real-life repercussions, deficiency-driven heart conditions. In this section, we will explore how lacking essential nutrients can severely impact heart health. Deficiencies in vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium can have serious consequences for heart health, increasing the risk of various cardiovascular conditions. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining the heart's normal function and rhythm. For example, severe vitamin D deficiency can contribute to heart failure, a condition where the heart cannot pump blood effectively. This can lead to fatigue, shortness of breath, and even life-threatening complications. Magnesium deficiency can lead to arrhythmias, such as atrial fibrillation, which can cause blood clots, stroke, and other heart-related complications. Maintaining adequate magnesium levels is essential for a steady and healthy heartbeat. Chronic potassium deficiency can result in hypertension or high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, and other serious health problems. Ensuring sufficient potassium intake helps regulate blood pressure and supports overall cardiovascular health. Section 5. Nourishing your heart. Practical steps to prevent deficiencies. Preventing deficiencies in these vital nutrients is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. A deficiency in any of these can lead to serious health issues, so it's important to be proactive. Fortunately, incorporating specific foods into your diet can help ensure you're getting adequate amounts of vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients play a vital role in heart health and overall well-being. To boost your vitamin D levels, embrace sunshine safely and consume fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereals. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, almonds, avocados, and dark chocolate. Magnesium helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Incorporate potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, potatoes, beans, and lentils into your meals. Potassium is crucial for maintaining proper heart and muscle function, as well as fluid balance in the body. Section 6. A heart-healthy future. Embracing a balanced lifestyle. Taking care of your heart is an investment in your future well-being. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals is crucial for supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Remember that a healthy lifestyle goes beyond just diet. Regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep are also essential for a healthy heart. By making conscious choices to prioritize our heart health, we can live longer, healthier lives.